Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw a cute rectangle art flower using only a black pen and marker. Simple, stylish and super satisfying. Okay, here is a tiny funny story for you guys for entertainment. Okay, there was a flower who wanted to be extra special. Normal petals, no. Colorful petals, no. It dramatically shouted, I want patterns, lots of patterns. So one day a magical black pen said, Alright drama queen, I will give you Jantangle design. And the marker added bold lines that made the flower look like a superstar. The flower looked in the mirror and gasped, Oh wow, I look like an art legend. And that's how the first Jantangle flower was born. Today, guys, we are drawing that some dramatic superstar flower. So let's start our easy and fun Zentangle journey. Okay guys, our Zentangle flower is complete. I think it's already posing like, look at me, I'm the fanciest flower ever. The pen probably wants to rest now. And the marker is like, please no more drama petals. I feel like this cute drawing and the little funny story. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe guys. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, stay safe, stay healthy and keep drawing, keep learning. learning.